in that wheel. So now what has to happen is we got to pull it off of the spline of the shaft drive. And we'll have to see how well that goes. This rotor's not in the best of shape. I guarantee you I won't find one of those. And if I do, it'll be more than my retirement fund package. I'm sure. One thing bad about these old bikes, a lot of stuff is not available. That pin. We can take that off. Let me see if I can put this on. Let's see if that makes getting the tire off a little easier. So I was able to take my ramp off, and then underneath here is another platform for the bike to roll up on. So let's see if we can make this happen. A little further I can go out right now. Oops. Let's see what happens, kids. Oh. Oh, come on. Don't tell me I gotta take the fender off too. That's it. That's it. Something dropped though. Something dropped.